Hello friends, today I am going to show you disable unnecessary service in Cisco router. Cisco iOS device support many services that may pose a risk to network. These services is unnecessary, should be disabled. So let's start. First, disable interface that are not being used. So go to global configuration mode and interface fast Ethernet 0/1 that is not used. So I want to disable. To disable this, type shutdown command and enter. It's disabled. Would be used by Cisco device to load copies of iOS to other Cisco device, and it's enabled by default. So disable these services if not necessary. To disable these services, type no IP boot TP server in global configuration mode. So exit from here and no IP server and it's disabled. CDP Cisco Discovery Protocol allows Cisco device to discover information about other directly connected Cisco devices, and it's enabled by default. So disable this protocol if you not need this. To disable this protocol, type no CDP run command and it's disabled. Also go to interface fast Ethernet 0/0 and type no CDP enable. It's done. Cisco device can load their startup configuration file from remote FTP server. This service is disabled by default. Either of the following command will prevent the remote from doing this. So type no boot network in configuration mode. Go exit from here and type no boot network and also type no service config and it's disabled. If the device name or unauthorized command is typed into the iOS command line, the iOS will attempt to resolve the name using DNS. By default, the iOS will broadcast this request, so we need to specify a specific DNS server for name resolution. So type IP name server and 192.168.1.2 1.4 and press enter. DNS name resolution can be disabled if necessary. So type no IP domain dash lookup and press enter. So part 1 is completed. Please see my next part for continue. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.